In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Amazon Shopping app on your phone. This works for both iPhone and Android users. Having the Amazon app makes it really easy to shop, track orders, and browse products anytime. So let's get started. First, open your phone's App Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're using Android, open the Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, tap on the search option. Now type Amazon Shopping and search for it. You'll see the Amazon app appear in the results. On Android, tap Install. On iPhone, tap Get. Wait a few seconds while the app downloads and installs. Once it's done, you can tap Open or find the app on your home screen. Now open the app, sign into your account, and you can start shopping right away. And that's it. That's how you download and install the Amazon Shopping app. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.